Hi guys, and welcome back to the dashboard. So let us proceed to our second tool, which is campaign message. Let's just get inside it. All right, so here we are on the dashboard for campaign message. So you can see we have a couple of options up here: campaign, members, add member, member bulk upload, and campaign report. So what exactly this campaign messaging does is it helps you send dynamic messages, just like you might have used mail merge in MS Word. The very same way we can use this tool to send dynamic messages. So let's just head inside the campaign section. So here it's blank as of now. So let's just add a campaign. Let me give a name, test campaign. All right. So test campaign is the name of the campaign we have given. All right, so now you can see that it has been added up here. Now I'm able to see a button that says send message. Right now the total members are 0. Then I have this button to add members. I can edit the campaign, which basically gives me an option to rename the campaign, and even I can delete the campaign. So since there are 0 members, so let's just add some members. So as I click on add members, you can see I get two options. Either I can add one single member or I can go for bulk upload. So I'll show you how, I'll show you this bulk upload option first. So you can see that the campaign has been already selected. So it asked me to choose a file. So prior to doing that, we need to download the sample file. So here we have the sample. Let me just open it. So in the sample file, that's basically an Excel file. So you'll see that just a second. All right. So here are the columns. So you'll see that here are two columns essentially, name and contact number. Then after that, we have given like 15 columns where you can put in all your data. Let us assume an insurance agent is using it. So let me just do some sample entries. Let's put in a number. Now, for example, this column one can be considered as target for January. So let's say, let me put 100. Then column two is for February. Column three is for March, then April, May, June, July, and so on. Let me just add another name, and I'll just put it just some random number. Just a random number, so maybe some new figures for. So at max, as of now, we have given like 15 columns. But if you come across any situation where you feel like that you need more, surely contact us. We'll get you more columns up here added. So now you can see that I have added two numbers with some dummy data. Let me just save it. So the name of our file is sample10. So let's head back to our campaign. I'll just choose a file. So we have this sample10, and I'll save it. So now the members have been added successfully. Let's head back to our campaign. So you can see that now total members are 2. So now what I can do is I can just go to my send message. Here you can see that the columns which were mentioned in the Excel are here as well. So basically, I'll just tell you how to use them. But before that, you can see that the same data has been inserted up here. The two names have been inserted. So if I want to send message to all these members, I'll just select all and click on save. Else, I can just choose individually, or if I want, I can search. Let's say I want to send to Divyansh, so I'll just send search one. Now the data which I want to send is like dear name your target for January is. Now we know that we entered target for January in column 1. So we'll say column 1. February is column 2. March is column 3. April is column 4. May is column 5, and so on. So now you can see that I've just chosen one number. So as I click on save, this will send the message. The dynamic message will be sent, and the same could be seen in report section. When we head to report section, you'll see that this message as of now it's showing pending, but this is the message which it has drafted. So dear Divyanshing, your target for January is 100. If you want, we can tally from our Excel as well. So you can see that my target for January was 100, for February was 200, 548, and so on. And the very same thing it is mentioned here as well. Like for January it's 100, February is 200, March 548, April 258, and May 147. So this is how you can actually use the campaign message, and this is the example I've shown is just for one number, though you can use multiple numbers. Do not spam anyone, that's not a good thing to do. But yes, for professional purposes you can use this option. And to ensure that your WhatsApp is safe, you can see that it's showing pending. It is because that the system sends like two messages in 1 minute. So we tried our best to ensure that the spamming is not being done. This tool should not be used for any kind of spamming. But yes, for some professional purposes, because we do understand that WhatsApp is like something which is very useful for each and every one of us. So as of now, it's pending. Within a span of 1 minute, it will start sending the messages. So let me just check in my phone as well. It says the message has been sent, and you can see that I have received the message. So heading back to our dashboard,